I'm so excited to be having this conversation that we are going to be having because I have so many questions to ask you. సార్ మీరు ఎక్కడో చెన్నై నుంచి వచ్చారు కదా, మీకు అసలు ప్రభాస్ డార్లింగ్ అని ఒక సినిమా ఉంది ఇంతకు ముందే అని తెలుసా?
Actually, in the beginning, title వేరే.
ఓహో, ఓకే.
So in between the shoot only, we wanted to go for a different title. Then I decided it should be one word. And to have it neutral, I wanted to be in English. So since the movie was about a couple, I was looking for the best title. Then I just came across this title called Darling. Then immediately I Google searched. When I searched, I know the film, Prabhas sir, I know everything. Okay. So that is when Kushi also had released. So I thought, okay, let's try.
Darling is one of my favorite films. Even musically, the movie is so good. So, ee movie kuda chuste oka love story, yeah?